Right, I managed to get the DeLonghi air conditioner dehumidifier running. It says 17 degrees, which is wrong. It's cool. You've got cool, dry, and other options on it, and fan speed and things like that. But I got it running at 9:10. It's not thrown up the E3 or E4 codes. Try and get the temperature. It's actually, yeah, it's nearly 21, but it's the humidity so high. It is throwing out air. It's not chucking the air out as much as it should do, but let's see how much humid water. No, it's just and then the red light to tell you that the thing's not in place. Let's see if it kicks in when you turn it on. When it was working, it would kick so much it would do that. It would like vibrate, but it's just blowing. That's all it's doing at the moment. So if I change the modes, that's dry. Comes on like intermittently. See, now the fan is doing exactly the same. Turn up to thing on dry, it will only do low one, but it's blowing exactly the same as that, and it's not throwing out as much air. But the humidity is so high here. What can you do? So it's not so much the temperature as the humidity, but this is what you can do. We say they won't let us fit the aircon into the place, so you have to have the pipe going outside the window. So I suppose you can do just to get the air down. And the electric this thing uses, well, I put I had £230 in the meter when I put it in last week, and well, let's go have a quick look, see what we got. I can't see it on there, but you'll be able to see it back on the camera. So I have now maybe 116 left. So yeah, soon be wiping it out. This thing uses a lot. There we are, but I mean, it's not even kicking on. It's not throwing up the code, but it's not kicking on either to take out the water into the air collector. And I cleared out the side. You see, there's nothing in the filter. See, and that ices up when it gets cold. But there you go. There should be a remote for it, but I didn't have that. As I say, you don't need that a lot of the months of the year, but when you get weather as humid as this, you want to be able to take it out. The second it started to look like it was 18, it's, as I say, it's not working right. Before it would just stop in E3 or E4 codes, but there we are. So I mean, I've tried to work with that, and what can you do with these things? Alright, so yeah, tomorrow is still a bit more humid, and then we're going to pick up and get some more dry weather, because you feel the humidity in the air, and it gets into everything, the fabrics and the plasterboard, or in America they call it drywall. It feels wet and sticky. So this is it, and you can see the houses with the foam around it. It's basically like a sponge. So I mean, this is it. But what can you do? I lost the house, now to live in this place until I can sort something else, but it's not looking hopeful. So what can you do? But yeah, no, I wouldn't even need the AC there, because that place is cool anytime, but it does get the humidity everywhere, so I mean, you do need one of those things. I wanted to put a proper one on the wall, but they won't allow you. They won't let you do anything here. So this is it. So I'm just going to take some things from the pensioners tomorrow. I haven't seen my father for a while. That's the steam cleaner. It's a good little job thing. I did that in that other video. So yeah, but it's not pushing out. I'll just turn it off because it's loud. So there you are. But I've tried my best with that thing. As I say, it's a few £100 just for the weeks that we get it every year, and then it's just to sit in this gap here. As I say, I shouldn't have to have these things, but there you go. I'll try upload this. I hope you're all doing okay. I haven't seen the cats today with the rain. They've been hiding somewhere. They've got their little treats here. And they come back. And the biscuits, I managed to get some. They've tripled the price again. So yeah, and this year they've quadrupled the price of that. So yeah, so we'll just keep things out, do a bit more cleaning up, and there you go. I asked him to slice it for me this time, normally on a slice, but I felt like having it sliced this time. But, so what can you do? So yeah, I'll try to upload, but I mean with the internet as it is, let's see if we can see Fluffy. Oh, look at that! How did I feel that she was here? Fluffy! Oh, bless you! Miracle that you're here. You knew to come, didn't you? Oh, I love you. Oh, I love you, Fluffy. Oh, let's get you some food. Did I put out the chicken? I got the... Oh, look at this. Oh. You have to push the side in there and the perforated, as you can see it on the camera. But it doesn't like to do it. I'll put that down for a second. It's so damp the card, it's gone in. So damp even the cards gone in. So so humid. Well, she's turned up. We've got the meat as well. He's got the camera. Sorry about the thing. I'm trying to hold this phone. It's pointing at me at home, as you can see. So freaking obvious. Yeah. People come in here parking with their cars. They go into the houses. All this distance in business. They don't do it. So I'm going to put some more paint wash over the fences. Recycling in the bin tomorrow for the future. Oh, look at her there. Oh, this is it. This is going to be a long one. It's over 9 minutes now. So yeah, it'll take about 4 times that if the speed is good to upload. So I hope you all like the videos. I'll do my best. And you can see the damp where it's been running off. Oh, bless her. What can you do? Well, at least I've done that, and I've got painting to do this side because the council won't do things. I have to do all the repairs, even though this is a rental property, but they do them for other people, but not for me. So I'm going to have to strip all this. I have to either get some paint stripper or get one of those heat guns on it and get it all off. Take it off on your head. Up here, I don't think you can see that, it's so dark now. it all comes off on your head when it flakes off. So I get all that down, paint all this up, paint concrete parts around there, and so you can see where I've cleaned the concrete stone there. The veins just come all the way over there. It does wash off the the algae and the moss and that. So yeah, I'm just glad she's back. Cat will be back soon after that. So what to do with it all. Some of the meat out for her as well. I'll try upload this, but as I say, I'm starting trouble with my YouTube. Trying to make it go to that new upload that doesn't work. It's so damp, I can see the damp on the houses. As I say, this foam on the outside absorbs all the water, and then the concrete little thin layer about so much. Oh look, she doesn't want any more. She wants some meat. I'll try give her that. Hang on. All over. As you can see, I got that I only bought that the other day, and look, 20 seconds on it. That's all they give you. Let's see. Some deli meat. You call luncheon meat. They call it bologna in other countries. America maybe. Oh, look at that. Oh, you can see her face. Oh, oh, I love you, puppy. Just hand this. Oh. This has got to be had because it's fresh. Oh, she's such a good cat. She's just sitting over there waiting. You see this? Such good pork, but I can't eat it all. It was only it was on the reduced counter, 7 pence. But that's yep. This will soon be gone. Oh, she's rubbing. What other cat sits there waiting? And you got this too. This too. And the chicken as well. Oh, oh, she thought I'd put that down already. Oh, look at that. Ham and chicken. I think she's had a lot with the biscuits though. She's thinking about it. It's quite cold from the fridge. Oh, she pulled it out. That's what you do. They are, so she is eating. Right. You okay? You okay? You alright? Nice, whether we had. Pork was a bit greasy, but 7 pence, you can't argue. That was to say reduced, normally about 60 or 70 pence a gram, 100 grams. Yeah, a lot of pork in that. It's not a bad smell to it either, but it's got to be used to. The cat will be in shortly. So they can record me as much as they want. So just in the window there, see the red dot. I don't know if it comes up on the camera. I've got to get another cork gasket, which I'm just struggling to get hold of for that because I've had to put tape over it. He screwed it down too tight and compressed the gasket, so I need another one of those. And they don't sell them in Wix anymore, so that's a bit of a problem. I can just get some sealer thing and the gun thing to go around it, but I don't think something's impermanent because you've got to replace the light. So she's had enough. It's so humid here. I love you. Right, well, I'm glad that she come anyway. Well, it's a bit longer this video than normal, but been away somewhere hiding out of the rain and come back. It looks good, don't you? Good for your age, don't you? Oh, you love it, you? Oh, my fluffy. Oh. What would I do without you? You know what I got here? Oh. You okay? Oh, she hears noises. Oh. She hears little noise. She's getting her meow back slowly now. I think she's been straining herself, she couldn't meow so much. So yeah. Oh, you okay? Put this back in the fridge, you can have the rest later. God, it is so humid. Should just sit out here. It's better out here than in the house actually. It's just, it's like the tropics, like back in the jungle. Humidity. Right, well, thanks for everyone watching. I'll try upload this and see how we go, because it's quite a long one. And thanks for everyone watches, and we'll see what tomorrow brings.